Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Riley and this is Zane. Today we're making cookies. Mine's chocolate chip and this one is white chip macadamia. These are store-bought cookies. You don't need a lot of tools. You need any store-bought cookies. And you need non-stick vegetable oil, and you need an oven. Let's get started. So the first step is to preheat the oven, and you have to let an adult do that. My mom set the oven to 350. The second step is to spray the pan. If you mess up, just let an adult do it for you. My auntie helped doing it on the pans. The third step is to put the cookies on the pan, and this is my friend Alex. I've been grubbing too. It's gonna take forever. Not too long. There's barely anything. I think we're almost done. Alex, what does it look like I'm doing? How many pictures? You're already almost done? Yeah, I'm almost done. I'm just whipping them apart. Because they're sticking together. Goodness! Let's put that right there and here. Next, we're gonna put the cookies in the oven. Now we wait for 10 to 12 minutes. Yes.
Okay.
So the cookies are done. All they need is to be cooled down. Now we're gonna try the cookies. This one's falling apart. These are oh, good. This one's falling apart. This one's good.
Is it good though?
Hmm?
Okay.
This chocolate one is good. This is all for today's video. I'll see you next time. Bye. What? Everybody keeps interrupting. What are you Next we put the cookies in the oven for 12 to 10 hours. Ready?